Welcome to Home of Math, Part 5, or we can say final episode of exercise 1.4 fraction class 6. Here is informing, very carefully you have to understand this one. Of the total distance, we don't know how much the distance. Of the total distance, Zabed traveled 3/10 part by rickshaw, 2/5 part by bicycle, 1/5 part on foot, and the remaining 2-kilometer path by horse cart. Okay, it takes an average 5 minutes to travel each kilometer by rickshaw and bicycle, and this is a case study. But first question has no relation. First question mentioning arranging 3/10, 2/5 and 1/5 in the ascending order. So first 11a. Let's start. Here is 3 fraction. One is 3/10, one is 2/5 and another one is 1/5. We have to make ascending order, or it means smallest to largest. Okay, so we know in this case we have to make a common denominator. So in this case what we will do, look here, fractions, denominators are 10, 5 and 5. Okay, so LCM. So 10, 5, 5 LCM is naturally, we understand this one is 10, but if anybody want how it will become, so 10, 5, 5, so we can take common 5, so here is 2, 1 and 1, 5 times 2 is a 10. Now look, 3 divide 10, we know the common denominator should 10, so 10 times 1 it will be 10. Similar, 3 times 1, here is 3. It means we should multiply denominator and numerator same number. Okay, next 2/5, 2 divide 5 equals to, here is 10, so 5 times 2 and here is 2 times 2, here is a 4. And finally 1 divide 5, here is should 10, so 5 times 2 and here is 1 times 2, here is a 2. Now look, 3/10, 4/10 and 2/10. We already know if the fractions denominators are same, that case which numerator is larger, it means that fraction is larger. So which one is larger? 4/10, this is larger. And which one is second larger? 3/10, it means 3 divide 10. And finally this is the smallest, which is 2/10. Now look, this is ascending order, this is smaller, then bigger and then biggest. So 2/10 means what? 1 divide 5 less than, then 3/10, 3/10 means 3 this is 3/10 less than 4/10, 4/10 means 2/5, and this is our answer. I hope you clear this one. So number 11, number A, done. Now number B. Number B. Now again we back to this description which we already read earlier. Here is mentioned, determine the total distance of the traveled path. It means Javed how many distance traveled. So we already, or we can say this is 11b, given, right? Given Javed travel travel. First one 3/10 part by rickshaw, then 2/5 part by bicycle, then 1/5 part by foot, right? And remaining part, look, but remaining part 2 kilometer by horse cart. Now let me know how many distance he traveled. So here is two things. We don't know how many path he traveled by horse cart, because here is everything mentioned by part, but here is the horse cart direct mention kilometer. So first one, suppose this is distance, start from here and end here, this is end and this is starting point. So this one, suppose 3/5 by rickshaw, and this is 2/5 by bicycle, and this one by 1/5 by what? Foot. But this one 2 kilometer by horse cart. So in this case we have to write, first we have to add all the part of fraction. So we can write, so add up to all fractions part. So this one is 3/5 plus 2/5 plus 1/5. Okay, this one we have to make it. So 5, so here is 3 plus 2 plus 1, it means what? Oh, 3/5 it means 10, not 5, so here is 10. Sorry, silly mistake. So this one is, the LCM is 10, right? So look, 10 divide 10, it will be 3, plus 10 divide 5, it means 2, 2 plus 2 is a 4. Then 10 divide 5, it means 2, 2 times 1 is a 2. So here is 6 plus 3, it means 9 by 10. 9/10, it means rickshaw, bicycle and foot. So what is the remaining part? It means horse cart. Now look, let we think, or let we can write total distance equals to 1. It means this is total 1. So by horse travel 1 minus 9/10, right? So LCM is 10, so 10 minus 9 equals to 1/10. This is 1/10 travel by horse cart. So we already get travel by horse 1/10 part. As per question 1/10 part equals to 2 kilometer, where already mentioned, look, the remaining 2 kilometer path by horse cart. So in the calculation we already get by horse travel 1/10, right? And 1/10 means 2 kilometer. Okay, now look, 1/10 is 2 kilometer. It means once we make cross multiplication, 1 part equals to 2 times 10 kilometer. So we know the total distance is 1, right? Let total distance is 1. So here this one part means 20 kilometer. So total distance 20 kilometer. Number 11C. How long did Javed travel by rickshaw and by bicycle? So that total distance complete 20 kilometer. So 11C, by rickshaw, travel 20 kilometer of 3 by 10 part. So what does mean? Here is 20 divide 10, it will be 3. So 3 times 3, 2 times 3, it means 6. So 6 kilometer, right? Again, by bicycle, travel 20 kilometer of 2 by 5 part. Part means from this kilometer. So 20 divide 5, it means 4. So 4 times 2, it means 8. So 8 kilometer. And our question is, how long Javed traveled by rickshaw and bicycle? Look, here is another clue of this question. It takes an average 5 minutes to travel each kilometer by rickshaw and bicycle. So as per question, as per description, rickshaw and bicycle average travel, average of 5 minutes to travel each kilometer. So average travel 5 minutes per kilometer. So here is 8 kilometer. So we can say, so rickshaw 6 kilometer and bicycle 8 kilometers. So 6 plus 8 kilometer need. So 6 plus 8 means 14 kilometer need 14 times 5 minute, it means 70 minute. For this one you can say also write like this. Suppose 1 kilometer need 5 minute. So 14 kilometer need 5 times 14 minute, it means 70 minutes. This one also you can write. This one or this one same. Hope you understand this one. This is our ending video or ending part or part 5 of exercise 1.4 class 6. You should make practice at home very carefully. I request every parents, please take care of your child, because this chapter, it means fraction, is very important for next class future. Okay, so thank you very much. If you have any question, please write a line in the comments box, and don't forget subscribe my channel Home of Math. Thank you.